Namaste, I Javin Gaurav Goel in the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to discuss about the session isodose curves in the hospital administration radiotherapy for BCRT 6M. Let me discuss about the isodose chart. An isodose chart for a given beam consists of a family of isodose curves, usually drawn at equal increments of percentage depth rows, representing the variation in the dose as function of depth and transverse distance from the central axis. The depth dose value of the curves are normalized either at the point of maximum dose Dmax on the central axis or at a fixed distance along the central axis in the irradiated medium. The chart of a first category are applicable when the patient is treated at a constant SSD irrespective of beam direction. In the second category, the isodose curves are normalized at a certain depth beyond the depth of Dmax corresponding to the axis of rotation of an isocentric therapy unit. Examination of isodose chart reveals some general properties of X or gamma rays dose distribution. The dose at any depth is greatest on the central axis of the beam and gradually decreases towards the edge of the beam, with the exception of some LINAC X-ray beam, which exhibit area of high dose or horns near the surface in the periphery of the field. Near the edges of the beam, the dose rate decreases rapidly as a function of the lateral distance from the beam axis. Near the beam edge, the fall off of the beam is caused not only by the geometrical penumbra but also by the reduced side scatter. Outside the geometrical limits of the beam and the penumbra, the dose variation is the result of the side scatter from the field and both the leakage and the scatter from the collimator system. Measurement of isodose curve. Isodose chart or curve can be measured by means of ion chamber, solid state detector, or radiographic films. Of these, the ion chamber is the most reliable method, mainly because of its relatively flat energy response and precision. The chamber can be made waterproof by a thin plastic sleeve that covers the chamber as well as the portion of the cable immersed in the water. Thank you. The session is over. I hope you are satisfied with the session. If you have any query, then mention it into the comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.